Hello dear students, in this video tutorial we will make a bolt and nut with the pitch length of 1.5 mm. We make complete assembly of this nut and bolt in this video. So now let's start. So first we open our part mode. Okay. And now we enter in our part mode. So first we will choose a plane. We choose front plane, sketch, and now we make a circle. Give smart dimension 8 mm. Extrude, and we give it the extrude length 40 mm. Okay, now this is our bolt rod we created like this. Now we add chamfer this edge, so we select chamfer and select this edge and make chamfer of 0.8 mm and 45-degree angle. Now we select this edge, you see, and choose convert entities. So we select this sketch on the surface, select this edge and choose convert entities. Now you see this edge converted into a sketch entity. Now we select helix and spiral and we choose variable pitch and give some dimensions. We change its direction and give pitch 1.25 mm in first row and revolution 0 at the start point, height 0 at the start point, and diameter 8 mm. In second row we choose 1.25 mm pitch, and this is mm, not meter. Here we choose 23 mm and we select diameter same. In third row we again choose 1.25 mm pitch, and here we select and we add these dimensions to create our spiral profile, to create thread. So now this profile is generated as you see, and we delete this fourth row. Okay, we select a starting angle 90 degree and okay. So this profile is created as you see. Now we hide this profile and we create a thread profile. So we choose right plane and press spacebar and normal to. And here we make our profile for thread. Select line and select convert this line to convert entities and give angle 30 degree at both sides. And this is total angle 60 degree. Now we make it to construction geometry. Select line and we make a line from this edge and trim extra entities. Now we give some dimensions through smart dimension tool. 0.9 mm and we make this sharp edge to flat so that our thread created flat at the end point. So we make this distance point, we choose it 0.25 and trim extra entities by trim command. Now we give this dimensions 0.25 and 0.9 this edge. And when it give another dimension, you will see it's our overdefined sketch created, so we ignore all of this stuff. So we not need to make fully defined sketch, so we exit from this sketch. When we fix it, so you will see our sketch is over defined. So we exit from this sketch and apply sweep cut command. We exit and we go to sweep cut and choose here in feature trees our helix profile sketch, and now you will see here sweep cut command is applying. Okay, now our bolt thread is created. As you see, the pitch of this thread 1.25 mm, and now we will make a hexagonal profile from the top of this rod. So we select hexagon and we give the diameter of this circle 12 mm. Now we choose extrude boss and select dimension. 6.5 mm is perfect dimension. Okay, now we created extrude cut command on this surface, so we select the surface and select a sketch and make circle from this surface, and now we select extrude cut and flip outside direction and select taper angle 45 degree, flip outside, and okay. Now our profile is created. Now we will select a mid plane from these two surfaces between and mirror this feature, extrude cut feature, at the other side. So we select this plane and select this feature, cut extrude from command manager, cut extrude. Okay, now this profile added at both ends of this hexagon. Now our bolt is created and applying some perspective view, so the visibility of this part is very clear. Now we will make another bolt with some another tools. So we select this edge and sketch, and we take reference from this point, take a circle and reference from this point and draw a circle with 8 mm diameter. Now we choose extrude command to extrude this circle. We choose extrude and distance 40 mm like same, and now we choose in hole wizard thread and we select this edge and make thread. These are some other options. There are some metric tab. Metric tab is generally used for inner thread like nut thread, so we choose here metric die. So die we used for outer thread in any rod, so we select this metric die, and there are some other options also available here, and we increase the distance of this thread at 30 mm. Okay, now you will see here our thread is created. This is very easy method to create thread. We remove this, so we go to another thread. Now we choose offset and give offset from reverse direction, and now it looks good. Now we created a hexagonal profile with another method, the hexagonal profile with circle. So we select circle, draw a circle with 12 12 mm diameter. Now we extrude it 6.5 mm distance, and now we make some fillet tool at the end of this edge. Choose any radius as you want. I'll select this. Now we make a hexagonal on this top surface. We make an hexagonal and a circle and applying extrude cut command. So we choose hexagon at the end point and we select a circle. Now we create extrude cut. Now you will see here the same profile here also created, but the radius of this profile is greater than this one, so you edit this as you need. Now we same thing we do here also. Now we delete this body by delete bodies command. Delete bodies and delete this. Now I save this body in my computer. Go to file, save as, and choose any folder on your desktop or any drive and choose it. Select save. Now we open new part and we make a nut for this bolt. So we choose here a hexagon profile and make same diameter 12 mm. Now we extrude it at 7 mm distance. Now we make a reference circle at the center of this hexagon. Now we make some other profile at both edges, so we choose circle and apply relation from this edge to this edge at coincident. So now we choose extrude cut and okay, like the same we use in bolt. Now we choose mid plane from these two surfaces and choose mirror command. Okay, now our nut is created, but here we will make inner thread also. So for inner thread we will insert a bolt part in this mode. So we insert up our bolt from insert command part and insert, browse, insert, select bolt. Okay, and now we choose some cosmetic threads and dimensions. Okay, and we select no because we take same units. Now our bolt is inserted in our part. Now we move this nut, so we choose move copy bodies command and select this nut and move it at the left side. Okay, select another, move copy bodies. Now we select move copy bodies another. Now we choose make concentric these two nut and bolt and choose these two edges, first edge and second edge. Now these are concentric each other. So now we applying here combine command. So we choose combine. Now select this bolt, nut, first body, and we subtract it from this bolt. Okay, Now you will see here our inner thread is generated. Now we try to make assembly of our this nut and bolt. So first I will save this in my computer and close it. Now we will go to new part. Okay, so first when we go to make assembly, so here no part are there, so we select our base part first, bolt and insert. Now we create assembly and our first part is fixed. You will see here in command manager F is donate it fixed in assembly module. So now we insert our bolt and now we insert our nut in the assembly mode. Now we add some relations between these two nut and bolt. So first we make concentric these two bodies. So for this we are going to mate and choose concentric. First we choose two edges. So first we choose outer edge of thread and inner edge of this nut. So now you will see here these are concentric to each other. Now we add some mate here. The nut is moving from a specific distance. As you see here, this is moving from, they are not fixed in the distance, so we add a limit mate. So we select and makes distance, move this nut and select these two surfaces and make distance some distance. This is as you want. I will choose 15 mm and here I will select maximum distance, so I will select here 30 distance because we choose 30, 35. Now we choose minimum distance between these two. Now limit mate is created at this assembly. Now we add a screw mate on this nut and bolt. So to add this screw mate, we will go to mechanical mates. We go to mechanical mate. So first here we are not showing the thread of nut, so we add some distance so that we see the inner thread of nut. So now we see this, so we see this now. Now we make screw mate easily. So go to screw and choose distance revolution. We choose this outer surface and this. So we choose 2 mm distance, so it will, when it rotate, it will cover. So now it will be screw mate is added in this nut and bolt. Now we edit it according to our need. As I make its distance another distance. Now the speed of this nut increasing. Now we applying some motion study. So first we select setting. This is animation where there are functions of motion study. Now we choose some settings and choose 30 frame per second. choose motor and select motor, and this is default setting we take here, 100 revolution, so this is default. Now we calculate it. So now you will see here, now we edit it in the animation wizard, motion study panel, and increase this. Now you will see the length of the animation in increasing. This is we change the direction of this